Hey guys, I'm like pretty dead right now. I gotta sleep in like maybe an hour, 30 minutes. Uh, I saw Markiplier play this game, Risk of Rain 2, so I decided to get it because, it looked actually pretty interesting. I played through it a little bit, not a whole lot. Got maybe like close to 12 hours on it. I know it decently well. But I think it would be pretty interesting to, show you guys the game. So, I guess let's get right into it. I've run the power of pausing my videos as a form of editing, because I don't know if you noticed, I don't edit my videos. So that's why some of my videos are just super long, because, particularly the Hello Boost videos. But, since I showed you guys my pausing, it's a crude form of editing my videos. Oh shit. Oh. Usually the game will you'll put up the game I suppose in the first minute. Because if you look at the top right, it actually shows how long you've been doing this run. Risk of Rain 2 is a type of it's a roguelike game, so you die, so you get really high level, you die and then you come back at the very beginning and just do something different, do it again, see how much better you can do. You get a whole bunch of items that all come with, that all have a certain uniqueness and purposes. Killing enemies gives you experience. As you can see at the bottom left, I am level 1, so level 1 standard game start level 1, but each level is easier and easier to get to. It's harder. So yeah, you get experience from them and you get gold. So those anyway, that's it. Awesome. You get gold and experience. Gold, as you can tell, like I just used right now, you can open chests or use it to repair anything you find across the worlds. Well, they're all similar to different biomes that you explore. When it comes to items, some items can be buffed by having more than one. So if you have say, I don't know, that teddy bear. What the teddy bear does is it gives you a chance to block damage. That one doesn't stack, so that's kind of a bad example. But if it was a stack, then I guess it would just make it to where I have an easier chance. Okay, so this sword thing, it makes people, it gives me a chance to cause enemies to bleed on hit. So if I had 2 of these things, then it would make those odds even better. But I like getting it random most of the time. Gives me something I feel like I never had before. And I just think it's just useful. The skill does really good. I deal 75% extra damage to enemies above 90% health, as it says there. But it doesn't say that. It did it in a certain different part of the game. It actually tells you what items do in better detail than they do actually in the game. Which I find a little annoying, because if you actually press tab, it actually gives you the description, but it doesn't tell you the informational one. It's also, seems also kind of become bullet health. Projectiles coming at you with dodges, some kind of damage. Classic bullet health stuff. And after the whole crude editing that I'm doing, it's gonna be kind of difficult because even though I got 2 monitors, I have my recording software on the left side of my screen. Or my left screen. So I just turn my headset and see how my recording's going. So I was getting used to seeing if my game on what it's called, pause, not my game, my video paused or not. This is a unicorn, by the way. It can, if I go to like a certain pod, or just a whole different type of, it's like a universe, like an actual different universe or something. I can buy stuff with these things. But currently, the goal is to find the teleporter, activate it, and proceed to the next level after defeating the boss that's in I did this shrine earlier. Probably saw shrine on the mountain or something. It essentially makes it to where I'm gonna have to fight multiple bosses. But I have a decent amount of confidence in myself, and I believe I can do it. Before, so I don't know. The commando is basically the first guy you get. He's like, you know, the standard guy, that's pretty basic. But just being a basic starting character, he's actually pretty good. I really like the commando. All the other ones are good in their own situations. The one that I haven't gotten, totally forgot what I was saying. That's another part of creating. Sometimes my sentences will just be like, and then just totally something else, because I already know how to shrine the mountain, so I can do that. Because typically I'll pause, like say when like a family member comes into the room or something, and I'm like, especially since I'm in a tired state, we'll just totally forget about the thing that I was about to talk about. Yeah, you know how it is. But excuse me. Make sure I got everything. I should get this turret. So let's go activate this teleporter and fight the multitude of bosses that I'll have to do, because I did 2 Shrine of the Mountains. Oh, some more stuff here. Some gold, it seems. Yeah, put it off there. See how I'll do. I record this a lot, at least I'll try to. Each video would just basically be however long I survive. I am not right now. Okay. Now that's just terrific. Getting this. So there's multiple types of bosses, and the boss that I was actually kind of looking forward to fighting is the stone something. I don't know right now. Oh gosh. First video this one, I'm gonna die in the first game level because I picked too many bosses. Yeah, I guess that's how it goes sometimes. Beetle Queen, she might not be that strong physically, but she summons a lot of minions. You gotta pick up the ceiling drone now. I got that. As you can tell at the bottom right, those are my abilities, by the way. Shift is to roll, R is the thing that stuns enemies, M1 is fire, and super pierces stuff. Pierces now. Does damage for each time it pierces an enemy. That Q is an equipment, or I find on the ground. So it could be used as equipment, it could be orange. And it usually comes with down. The one that I got right now is I don't know how good armor rating is. But since I'm taking pretty big damage right now and I'm not dying, I'd say it's pretty damn good armor. Yes, this sucks. Also, I know how to keep this edge. I don't know if it would be jarring or not for this quick. My speaking functionality is severely limited right now. Those quick cuts are jarring. I have to figure that out as I go along with this. So I'll be doing those cuts and pauses. Hopefully my transporting a lot of these episodes. I really enjoy this game. I find this a very fun game. I would like it. Our probably you know his videos are made like that. Whoa, how am I this high up? Oh, that's all that. Whoa, brother. Sucks. Why did I get knocked over there? Oh my gosh, this is not good. No, I'm just kidding, it's actually exceptional. That's a lie. Saddening how bad it is because I don't know what keeps knocking me back like that. I've never had that type of pushback or whatever. Anyways. Oh my gosh. Sorry for those Discord noises. Yeah, my Discord when I record. I mean, when you have, so like, you know, I don't have many subscribers and videos. I know that. But you know, I still like making videos for people who might, that was funny. Anyways, who might, you know, see my videos, might enjoy them and such. You know, want to see like a small YouTuber. Yeah, I've just fun on doing this a lot. It's like doing mini series, some more progression, trying to do quests and such. I don't know, doing stuff, I guess. See how it goes. Who knows, maybe I get tired of this game too. Maybe just reach an cap or something. Also, you can also notice with the lower timer, you see it was easy earlier, but now it's like the game gets harder the longer you go on, which makes sense for a game like this, so, it's also hard to talk when you're having so much shit going on. Yeah, so the harder it goes, and like its final level is like it's like ha 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 ha. You might see it here. Again, I don't know how long I'll survive this. So far, I'm doing pretty well in this, so I feel like I should keep going on for quite a while. Because you know, the more enemies I defeat, the stronger I get. Just do the level up. Just have to progress. Addition more damage. More and more damage. Maybe that's what's causing that. I got wrecked. So that my healing drone's getting hurt. I so does not want that healing drone to get hurt. The healing drone is quite literally being the MVP right now. The only thing that's really keeping me alive. So, yeah, I kind of beat that guy to that. The boss is close. Okay, yeah, there. I was like, why is he not? Alright. I can shoot him, you know. Also, in a game like this, standing still is really not advised. But for the commando, sometimes it might be a little bit, just so that way you can get better accuracy on your shots. You know, the more you move around, the less accurate your shots become. Blah blah blah. And I also have a special type of like item where if I stand still, but I have to stand still in order to kill myself. Every now and again, standing still might shoot. It seems to me that we only got one more beetle queen to go through, and then and that'll be almost able to survive. whenever you beat the boss in the area, I'll get a free item. I know it's teleporting, so I hope I can sneak that out of this. Normally I wouldn't be in that position, but I activated my armor. But I think this is like really good. It gives a lot of armor, man. So it's like it's really good situation to find myself needing a lot of protection. Again, look at that Google bot. Go. All the healing I need. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Clip that. I just clipped that wall. Hell yeah. Also the fire and ice enemies, those are elites. Elites, you know, they deal more damage than their actual, their basic characters. And that would be hard to kill. Yeah, you know, elites, you know, just standard game stuff, you know. Some of the stuff is just standard concepts. Although I don't know why I'm getting a lot of elites. I remember in the beginning of the game. Maybe I was getting this many elites at the beginning of my gaming thing of this. I don't really know. But I tend to get a lot of elites now than I did before. Another thing that I hope that I don't do with this whole crude editing thing is I make it to where like there we go again, since I'm so tired I forgot what I was gonna say. I don't have my armor anymore. Shit. Shit. Now the big question is, should I just leave? Ooh, my goodness, shinies. What is this? Recruit of the Beetle Guard. I got 2 of those, and I get even more slow damage. Oh, those are my guys. Hell yeah. Okay, so I could just leave now and get out of the way. I could just leave now and just go to the next area, but if I stay here and kill all the enemies here, that will provide me with a good amount of XP, because the coins don't carry through each part of the world. So yeah, so it doesn't matter how many coins I got. It's not going to stay that long. Go, my Beetle Guards. You're the heroes I need you. I totally deserve right now. I took that shotgun there. Alright, let's just go to the next area. Oh yeah, whenever you activate a teleport, you get XP. I don't know if I mentioned that or not. Alright. Fortune of Tar. Hell yeah. It doesn't really pick up that well, at least in the game. But yes, I still haven't activated my windows. It's not an issue that I don't want to. It's more of an issue that I just can't, like, I got a Windows activation key. I might have to get another one because I, you know, might have lost it. But just like can't take it for whatever reason. Maybe I was doing it wrong. I don't know. Maybe the battery died. somebody's video and knows about that stuff. Just activate Windows. That'd be very much appreciated. Oh, excuse me. Hey, I can move faster now with this. I don't know how that works. Problem was I was in the first level for so long that I'm now at difficulty hard. I'm only on stage 2. I'm 21 minutes into this. How's good for me. Is that another crowbar? I don't know if that sacks. Pretty sure it does, but I mean, I could be wrong. I'll get the shotgun. What that does is enemy shots that are healing orbs. Whenever they die, see like that. It's really good in like big clumps and such. What are you? You are self. I don't have. I do actually. Yeah, I'll risk it. What are you gonna get rid of? What am I still in? So what that does, it takes one of your items or a. So what that does is that take one of your items or a piece of scrap that you found along the way, and it gives you an item for it. And I just traded. I had 2 slowdown things, which like whenever I hit an enemy, they slow down. It does stack, but since I have 2 of them, it just took one of them, I guess. And I was able to get rid of a duplicate for one new, totally cool item. That allows me to use my little elephant at the bottom, right? More often. So I can use it twice. I don't think it stacks, but I can certainly use it. Use it. It goes away. Then use it for emergencies. Hopefully my arm. I was like, what the hell am I feeling on my arm? It's fucking bugging. Looking easily at my arm. There's nothing, so I said, okay, what do you say? It's the teddy bear blocking damage. Die, you evil guardian. Owie. I've been playing a lot of PUBG as well too. I'm pretty decent at the game, but I also feel like I get that decentness from just having to come across what are they called? Just coming across bots most of the time, since it is a pretty bot-ridden filled game. Which is kind of sad, but it's not like I can do much about it. I still really love the game. It's really fun to play. I enjoy the combat. Love the sounds. The sound is pretty phenomenal. Dead at base. And a lot of mobility and damage. I wish I had my killing items. Also that shrine that I activated. What it does is it takes away a certain portion of your health and just out of my ticket to block that damage, which I didn't know it could do actually, so doubt I'll be that lucky again. Someone has a 50% chance to block damage or something. Don't really know. Try to do 75%. Hey, I blocked it again, how about that? That's what he gave us 93! Ow! Maybe that was a bad idea. I'm just gonna hide it, but still heal up a little bit. That wasn't the best choice I've ever made, but that's what you got, healing items and a healing drone to help you out. let's get back into this. Let's activate the teleporter and get rid of the boss. What boss? Beetle King again? Oh god. Yeah. No, there's only 2 instead of 3 or 4 of us. Jado. Like, it gives you so much armor that even taking damage is almost immediately. So it goes away. Only lasts like 5 seconds. I'm gonna turn down the game. Because if I can't hear myself speak, then I got a feeling you guys can't hear me speak. And that just ain't gonna cut it. I'm trying to like 90% too. So hopefully that's a lot better. I really hope it is. Because since again I don't edit, it's not like I'm gonna like go in the editing software and lower the game's volume and increase my volume to stay the same. I feel you can do that. I saw it. That's videos talked about. I think it was like Until Dawn. The game was quiet and he was gonna turn up the game. But he reassured us that he was turning up the game on his end, and one increase shouldn't increase the volume for us. So yes, I did just get a guitar. It does line play has a chance to do chain lightning attack. Pretty cool. Let's take out our stones. I'm just gonna push down here. Another enemy that can came out. I think the last one. Alright, who's on? Alright, let's see. Ooh. I'll automatically do this, because this gives you gold, and getting gold right off the bat is really useful. Just gonna keep using this until I can't anymore. Oh shit! That's an imp. They teleport around, they like to do melee damage. But that's an elite one, so it does a lot more damage than usual. It ruined one of my runs once because I totally underestimated its damage. Oh shit, I'm probably... Okay. That was pretty stressful. That's really stressful. Whoa. I think it's mostly due to the fact that I decided to, like, you know, kill, like, almost all my health just to get some gold, and then he just came out of nowhere. Oh my gosh. I thought it was gone. Oh boy. Imagine... Oh, I... Oh my god, how sad would that be? Oh, I blocked that. I blocked that 93% health. Yeah, because it would have taken 93% of my health. I think I blocked it. Let's see, I'll get the healing back. I was thinking about getting the steak. The steak just increases my health by 25, but you know, it stacks, so 25, 50, 50, blah, blah, blah. But this one will just... Whenever I get hit, a little short time afterwards, I get healed. Like, maybe 5, 10, maybe 15% of my health. I don't exactly know the numbers off the top of my head. I can imagine the more time I play this, the numbers really down in my head. Boss right there. Activated that elephant 9 times. Let's see if I can find any more boxes and such to open, because I got a lot of gold that I need to spend. I would get that. What that thing does is it allows me. I do more damage when enemies are within a certain radius of me. The reason why I'm not getting that is because I use up one of my items, and I kind of have items that I don't want to lose at the moment. I know I could go with some, but it takes some killing an enemy permanently increases your maximum health up to 130. So after I kill like 100 extra health. Sorry. So yeah, it takes away one of my items randomly, so I have like no choice in what it takes. Which is why I don't want to do that. Especially now since I'm die, you yak. It's a space yet. It'll respawn. So that's a scrap. Actually, I keep scraps open. I'm looking at the top of my screen. The screen is up right. So what that does, it will summon like a lot of drones, but I really like the armor that I'm getting right now. It allows me to go a bit, it does allow me to go a bit reckless, but it can come in clutch at some moments. Another reason for this crude editing that I was thinking of doing is because during Hell at least you see a lot of times when it's dead and just mundanely walking to one point to another, and that's just boring as hell just to watch somebody. If I was watching my own video, I would honestly just fast forward a little bit until I get to like the good parts. It's actually a reason why I don't look at streams that much. I'm not a big stream watcher because if I find a part, if I find a part boring, I just lost interest in a certain part of the video, I would prefer to skip forward. That's why I like YouTube way more than Twitch. I like Twitch in some regards, you know, every now and again, where I just don't care what I'm watching. I just might, you know, what I just do. Like, jumping while spriggy boosting forward. I've never done that before. This is a new item. Yeah, I just prefer YouTube to Twitch. You know, I know the better for also, you gain. My goodness. You gain new items for doing certain achievements, I think. So since I got new stuff the last time I played, new items. But I've never seen that specific machine before. So I just totally have it. It is entirely possible. I guess you just activate the teleporter now. Actually, there's one more area that I need to check out. Because sometimes you're gonna, because before you do the boss fight, you want to make sure you have everything that you possibly could get from a certain level to boost up your power level. Not like actually called power level, but you know what I mean. Why not get the gift there this time? Sometimes there will be like a thing you can activate to get up here. I might not be able to. Or just run up the cliff place, that works too. No, it's a bit annoying. No, it's not too bad. So I tend not to get annoyed at getting stuff that often. So it sounds like that, it was the first thing I committed, but eventually it's really fast. I totally get that. Oh, that was a waste of time. So yeah, rolling like that increases, it makes it to where you don't take fall damage. Think of it as like a double jump before you fall to the ground. Just not do that like a giant magma worm. Are you freaking kidding me? Oh my gosh. Okay, so magma worm is, in my opinion, one of the harder bosses to kill. Oh gosh, okay. So I don't know how to do this, honestly. I said that was a fatal point. This time, I actually don't know how. My gosh, okay. Oh. Gosh, okay. Got imps everywhere eating on my ass. As fun as it sounds. Yeah, I'll get you for this right now. I'm just gonna go Also, the red circle, what that means is that in order for me to gain progress on the on how charged up the teleporters, I have to be in that red circle. Doesn't mean I have to be in the like boss fight at all. So it's just totally optional. I'm gonna wait till I get that second charge up and ready for my drones, because no one has as many drones as possible. Glad I got that extra health thing. And then I'm dying quicker than I thought. I think it's due to my to the feudal guards that I got going on here. Don't know when that thing's gonna be active. Hopefully soon. I'll use it. I'm gonna use it then charge though. I feel like I'm more exaggerating. This is my scenario sometimes. I feel like it's worse than it actually is. I don't know. And then more drones. Oh, the drones. Yeah, the drones still stick around for lunch. They go by quickly. I don't want the drones, so I want the elephant. I thought the drones would be useful for the fight. Alright. Oh my. Okay. Well, screw me, I guess. Hell or something? What's that? Don't take it as what I think it is. Oh, it is. He's back. Yeah, bosses can just spawn as random enemies sometimes on maps too. Only specific ones, I think. That guy's tough, the thing. I'm fighting two bosses, because that big imp right there, that's another boss. What the hell is going on in this world? I do think though that when the bosses are like not teleporter bosses, they like have increased health or something, which makes total sense. Supposed to be the actual teleporter bosses. Thank goodness. They don't even drop stuff for you. Like, you know, teleporter. Yeah, they don't do that. They just kinda exist. They do give you a lot of XP though. But you know what team I was going for. Fire! Show no fear, man. We'll be fine. Alright. Oh, died. I was like, alright, we did it. Good for us. Ugh. Alright, jeez, the frickin' Louise, man. Ugh. Also, I can give gold to this shrine and it might give me an item. Only maximum 2 though. Oh, leech, okay. Yes, please. That leech is, in my opinion, way better. Because it gives me, heals me. Any damage that I do, heals me. Like 8 seconds. That's really good. Like, it's spectacular. And in my previous one, I wish I had it because I was dealing so much damage, and I could just like be unstoppable. What am I doing? I don't want to give away anything. Yeah, screw it, risk. What do you do again? Outside again. Yeah. I also got a whiff, as you can tell recently, which just increases my sprinting speed. Outside of combat. Not sprinting, but movement speed. Sprinting, movement speed, blah blah blah. Yeah, it's all the same. Ooh, risky. It allows me to open a specific box in some maps. It's just a random chance that it'll spawn when you enter an area. You have a lot of items. Like Skyrim. Let's see if we can make this jump. Perfect. Activate the shrine, gain nothing. Activate it again, get nothing. Activate it again, gain something. Extra damage to bosses, how about that? Stop by you. Get a little run. No, why not? This much damage for anybody. Die, you ice, and do a lot of damage and kill this much. Pretty easy, right? You get hit by those spiky balls. Oh, hi there. Oh, double hi there. Jeez. Oh, okay. Time to activate my healing. Yeah, see how much I'm healing? I'm healing a lot. Totally worth it. 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 Might not switch back. Might switch back. Maybe the elephant's really good. Yeah. Sorry, I think definitely about getting that thing back. Have you been able to go up again? I guess not. Alright, I guess we should activate the teleporter. Before I do that, I want to get back that, ooh. In the chest. Sunglasses. Reduce critical chance. Oh yeah. Oh, I just grabbed you. Box. What that does, it reduces that teleporter. I don't know why I'm describing this. I guess you're not like you're busy doing something. You're just kind of watching this in the background. It's just incredible. So it's like nothing from this damn shrine. What are you? Oh, you're the gold machine. I really love the gold machine. It's so good. It's so good. It uses my gold as ammo, and it deals a lot of damage. So I'm gonna. Do I think it's preferable to the little thing? Yes, actually, I actually do. Ow. Gosh, that guy hurts. Got another missile gun. Alright, let's do this. Time to kick ass and take names. 2 of them. You got it. Ultimate power. Ultimate power. I need to kill enemies. I need money. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, sorry if I'm not talking. I'm pure, like, just trying to focus and not die. It's, I tell you, this gold machine, like, when it starts going, man. It is so good. Jeez Louise. Alright. It's such a good equipment item. Boy, howdy. These guys. Alright. Did it. See what other items I can get before I leave. Alright, let's get out of here. Yeah, definitely much happens when I pause. Some more guys to kill. Whew. Alright. Now do that guy over there, he's a pain in the ass to fight. Just keeps sending those lava things at me. Every now and again he'll do the super big attack where it's like covers like a big sizable chunk of the map and it deals a crap ton of damage. And it's just pure irritation to fight him. What are you? You battle? So yeah, the trainers are trying to combat it himself. None of the enemies can fight. Oh, I died. Ah, it sucks. Oh, I did pretty good. Oh, thanks. It was pretty good fun. Well, hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll be doing more later on. I think maybe in my next video I'll just kind of go in order of the heroes that I got. Even these two. I don't know them that much as well as I know the first three. So the next one will be Huntress. I hope you guys like her. So I guess that's it, and I hope you guys all have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this. I know it's a long video, but enjoy.